Okay, and hello friends and followers. Well, I'm thinking about selling off this Drake TR7, and so if I want to sell it, I need to have a transmit test. So here we go. Drake TR7, here's 80 meters, and I'm transmitting on the AM mode here because it provides a carrier, so I can use the dummy load here. I'm on direct. I'm on a dummy load right there, and there's the power meter. So we're gonna use the power meter and see what this thing can put out. So this thing is rated at 100 watts, and I think anything past 100 watts is gravy. So let's give it a try here. Okay, here's 80 meters. Just going to key the mic on AM and watch the meter. So here's 80 meters AM. On 80 meters, this can draw a lot of current, so I can be careful about how much power and current I give it. But I'm just going to move the mic slide up here and key it up. There it is. So 80 meters is about nearly 100 watts. I can tweak up the power to probably about 120 watts. There's about 120 watts. But the power supply doesn't like it, so it's steady at 100 watts here. Except my modulation on AM will bring it down. So about 120 watts on 80. Okay, moving on to 40 meters. 7.2. Key it up. Okay, let's crank the power up. Again, this is AM mode on 40 meters. Yeah, about 120 watts, except when I talk and bring it down with modulation on AM mode. Okay, about 120 watts on 40. Let's go to 20 meters here. Key it up. $110 watts in AM mode on 20 meters. 15 meters. Key it up. Bring up the power. Little feedback from the mic. 95 watts on AM on 15 meters. Last but not least, 10 meters. Key it up. All right, bring up the power. 20 watts, 40 watts, 60 watts. About 90 watts on 10, that's pretty good. I'm at full crank here. Okay, that does that. So it's a 90 watts or better on all bands. Let's check out the SSB. We'll go to 40 meters here. There's 40. And SSB mode, LSB. Crank up our carrier here pretty high. Mic gain high. Dummy load. Testing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. Lower sideband test. All right. So I can move this thing off to the SDR now. SDR is running here 7280 at KFS in Half Moon Bay. 7280. 7280. 7280. There's 7280 right there. All right. Lower sideband mode. We're in LSB. Full power, full mic. Put this thing here on LSB. There it is, and there's the signal. Test 1, 2, 3, KB 3 whiskey test 1, 2, 3. KB 3W testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's not working because I'm on a dummy load. So let's go to antenna 1. 40 meters, that'll fix it. KB3 Whiskey test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. I'm there. I'm not very strong. KB3 Whiskey test from Las Vegas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm not very strong, but I'm transmitting. This thing gets all screwed up using the Apple, this web UI. It's really bad. It really gets hosed up. Okay, that's where I was right there before I bumped the mouse. And, okay, expand it. All I was trying to do is get the speaker working here on the Mac. Bump the mouse the wrong way and the thing just goes away. Here we go. KB3 Whiskey test 1, 2, 3. KB3W 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 test 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's lower sideband. KB3 Whiskey test lower sideband from Las Vegas to KFS in Half Moon Bay. Okay, so that's test on lower sideband. We go to upper sideband now. Upper sideband here. Upper sideband here. KB3 Whiskey test upper sideband. 1, 2, 3 upper sideband from Las Vegas to Half Moon Bay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that works besides the echo. AM mode in this thing is a little touchy. It draws a lot of current, so I always back it off a bit. AM mode here. KB3W test AM mode. Testing AM 1, 2, 3. Let's try synchronous AM here. Here is sync AM KB3W test 1, 2, 3. So this thing only has upper sideband AM. It doesn't have two envelopes, just upper sideband, but it works. 1, 2, 3 testing AM. And I'm not sure what that garbage is. KB3W test. And test complete. Okay, the radio's off. That concludes my test. And looks like it puts out above 90 watts on all bands. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.